Welcome back to Lily Floral. Today I will share with you how I make this beautiful headband. You can use any kind of headband, and now I'm gonna add in the pink jasmine vine leaf. I will be using the bow tape to tape it in so it can be a little bit stronger. Actually this headband is only used for photo shoot, so I will be using glue and attack and flower. So this is one kind of rose that I have. This is Davis Austin rose. It's very beautiful with it's kind of more peachy color. And pink jasmine vine is stand out very well. I also add in another different kind of greenery and a little bit of berry just to keep it more natural and more beautiful. So again, I tape it in on both sides, and now is when I attack the flower in. I will be using floral glue, and what I do, I just stick in at the end of the back of the flower, and then when you do this, you kind of have to hold on to the flower a little bit for a few seconds for the glue to dry, to stick. Be adding more flower to it. With this one, I can also use the tape to tape it, and it's close to the end and it's half the stem. I will be adding a little bit of filler flower. This is just to give it more different texture. It's really fun to make, and this is very suitable for for a kid went to senior prom or any kind of prom, or also bridesmaid, or even a baby shower headband, or bride shower. This is another type of headband I'll be using. So first of all, I'm gonna glue all this leaf on top of this. And again, using this glue, I need to kind of like hold on to the leaf a little bit for a few seconds for it to attach. So I also use the glue spray to spray over some of the rose that the petal is easy to fall, just to keep it more stronger. So we used to do with wire, but this is the most easy way and a very quick way to do. And you can add in more flower if you want. You can add in different kind of greenery and texture. So I'm adding some of the small rose leaf and different kind of color of flower. You don't need to add anything in the back of it because the hair will be cover that. And I don't want to wire the silver part of the headband, so I just leave it like that. But if you want, you can always tape it with the floral tape, so it can turn into a green color. So I'm just adding one more. Yeah, if I don't hold on to the rose, it's just gonna fall right off. So I'm gonna have to hold on to it for a few seconds. And it's very cute. I love this kind of flower. It smells very good, and it well go together too. So I found out with this, I can leave it for a few days. I made it on Tuesday, and it lasts until Saturday. It's because if I spray with water and I just put in a very tight container and put in the cold area, then it can last very well. But if you make it before, I highly recommend you have to keep it moist inside a very tiny container. It's so beautiful. I really love the color. It's soft pink and they have a little bit of peachy on it with light yellow and white. I'm sorry, I kind of move up the camera a little bit. I forgot that I'm on camera. So just adding the touch, adding some of the leaf on it. And now I'm adding a little bit of berry. Look how beautiful it is. And you can add a lot of flower on this type of headband. Unlike the other one, yeah, you don't have much place to add it. It's really cute. So to make it more comfortable, I use very light flower. I don't use heavy flowers like succulent. Succulent tend to be very heavy, and if you wear it on your head for a while, you might end up with a headache. Photo shoot is fine, but yeah, this time I'm only gonna be using this very light flower roses, and I think they look very cute. Especially the color is really soft and spring. Let's check it out how it looks like on my model. Today we have Angeline, Color, and Jenna be our model. Thank you very much, guys. You guys doing a wonderful job and you all look very beautiful. I hope you like this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe, and also share with your friends. Thank you for supporting Lily Floral.